I'm now going to introduce you to the third style of control, the push-pull control. Push forward for brake, pull back for gas. This, just like our right angle control previously, has a shortened handle and a shortened mechanism that reduces the amount of moving components and the range of moving components when doing the acceleration function. Also, like the other controls, it is equipped with our auto lock function. Simply lock the control, the accelerator function is disabled. When in use, pull the handle out and the accelerator function is enabled. The unique feature of the SureGrip push-pull hand control is its shortened handle and throw system, which allows your hand to maintain contact with the steering wheel at all times while applying acceleration. This ability allows you to have both hands on the steering wheels for most of your driving, or to free up your other hand to operate secondary functions while driving down the road.